Encountering the Fatal Error C0000005 in AutoCAD can halt your work. This video will walk you through effective steps to get your software running smoothly again. First, let's understand what this error is and why it's happening to your AutoCAD application. This error is typically an access violation, meaning AutoCAD is trying to access memory it shouldn't, often occurring during launch, plotting, or other specific operations. We have four main strategies to tackle this issue: resetting settings, updating drivers, disabling hardware acceleration, or repairing/reinstalling. Our first step is often the simplest and most effective: resetting your AutoCAD settings to their factory defaults. You can do this by going to the Start menu, finding the AutoCAD folder, and selecting Reset Settings to Default. After resetting, launch AutoCAD and perform the action that previously caused the error to see if the issue is resolved. If the problem persists, the next common culprit is outdated or corrupt graphics drivers. This is essential for CAD software. Make sure your graphics card drivers are the latest versions compatible with your operating system and AutoCAD. You can update drivers either through your graphics card manufacturer's official website or via the Windows Device Manager. If drivers are current, try disabling hardware acceleration, which can sometimes cause conflicts. Find the hardware acceleration setting within AutoCAD's Graphics Performance or Options menu, depending on your version. Disabling it forces AutoCAD to use software rendering, often solving compatibility problems with specific graphics cards. Our final resort involves repairing or completely reinstalling the AutoCAD application itself. Use the Windows Control Panel Programs and Features to select AutoCAD and choose the Repair option for a quick fix attempt. If the repair fails, a clean uninstall followed by a fresh reinstall should resolve any corrupted core files. You now have a solid set of troubleshooting steps to overcome the Fatal Error C0000005. Remember to try resetting settings, updating graphics drivers, disabling hardware acceleration, and finally, repairing or reinstalling AutoCAD. If this video helped you, please like, share it with others, and subscribe for more technical tips and tutorials.